Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Friday. I hope this finds you well. I hope you're looking forward to the weekend ahead. A little bit of a short post today. Got a lot of stuff going on. Weekend looks like it's going to be a little busy. Got some events going on. So I'm happy about that. I'm so glad to have you join. I had a little itch there. Got some stuff going on this weekend and some planning and stuff like that. In today's post, I just want to talk about briefly about Pride Month coming up in June, and I'm booking some things already. It's been a rough year, honey, already. With all the anti-DEI, LGBTQ+, I could go on, and you know what I'm talking about. And now with the tariffs and everything else, everybody is on edge. We all need a break, and I'd like to give you a break by coming to your Pride event for your corporate company, Pride event in your location, wherever you're at, or we can do it virtually, and encourage some people, rise some spirits, get people going, and encourage that we're going to be better and do everything we can as possible. So look me up on my URL right here, gregrbear.com. I would love to chat with you. I'm represented by Engage. To think about this for a minute, Speaker Hub, and also Speakers Inc. So if you want to book me, you can go through all three of those places and look up my name, or you can contact me directly. But I'm really plugging along. June's going to be a very big determining factor for me on my career going forward. Just to let you know, it's the struggle is real, and the struggle is real for so many of us. So thank you. Any support would be great. By the way, I'm pretty old school. I have most of my music until my computer got changed over. I got to find out what happened to all my CDs that I downloaded from a long time ago. I still have one of these little things. Do you remember these? The iPod? It still works. I put it in my car. My car's got all the new stuff in it and everything, but I have some great remixes. I used to DJ back in the day, and actually I worked at a 100,000 watt radio station back in the mid 80s, just for a year before I missed education and wanting to teach. But I did that for a year, and I was music director of a 100,000 watt radio station. We kind of jammed out more with rock and roll and stuff like after 7, 8 o'clock at night. And then it was more kind of mellow, soft rock kind of stuff during the day. But yeah, something you may not have knew about me. And I'm a graduate from Specs Howard School of Broadcast Arts. I think they call it something different now. So, and that's in Detroit, or Southfield it was. So all the Specs Howard grads out there, hello. How you doing? Have a great weekend. I was going to tell you something else, but I just don't know what's happening right now. I got a lot on my mind. So, got to get back on my computer. Got some contracts to sign for June coming up. Remember to look me up. I love you. Thanks for checking in with me. Ring that bell. Subscribe, like, and share. As you know, pass this on. I'd like to get my numbers up and reach out to a lot of people. We need to reach out to all of us more than ever. Spread kindness, love, and peace, and I will see you on Monday. Take care.